Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial. This time around, I'm going to go through a work example on compound interest. Okay, so you can see from our question here in our worksheet for question number 19. Okay, it says calculate the compound interest earned when 8,000 is invested for 9 months at 5% per annum compounded quarterly. Okay. It looks like a simple question, which is indeed, but one thing that you must take note of is the compounding period. Okay, the interest is 5% per annum, but compounded quarterly. Okay, so that will require you to make some adjustment. Okay, but for now, as per my usual practice, I'll write all these values: P, R, T, small r, small n, and then I will use it to solve this question. Okay, so from here, invested is 8,000, so my principal is $8,000. Okay, the interest rate is 5%, and the time here is 9 months. I'm going to put 9 months, and it is also equal to 3/4 years. Okay, I put this in bracket. Okay, so because they mentioned it is compounded quarterly, you should ask yourself, in a period of 9 months, how many quarters? Okay, how many quarters are there in 9 months? Okay, in a period of 1 year, you have 12 months, right? So you have this is 6 months, this is quarter. So this is the total duration of time, 9 months. And in this case, there are a total of 1, 2, 3 quarters. Okay, so there are 3 quarters in this period. And this whole 5%, okay, the whole 5% is for 1 whole year. Okay, you must earn 5% in 1 whole year, but because you compound it quarterly, that means you must divide your 5% into 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups, or rather 4 quarters here. Okay, so to answer our value of R and value of N, the rate of interest for every interest period is 5% divided by 4. Okay, and the number of interest periods is equals to 3. Okay, because like I mentioned, there are a total of 3 quarters there. This is the first quarter, second, and the third quarter over a period of 9 months. Okay, so these are your values, and what we're going to do is substitute back into the formula. So in this case, the total amount A equals to 8,000 bracket 1 plus R, which is 5/4, which is 1.25 divided by 100 to the power of 3. Okay, use your calculator and you will get 8,303.77. Okay, so this is the value, the amount correct to 2 decimal places for money. Okay, so to answer the question, it says, what is the compound interest earned? That means they want the interest. So to get the interest, you must take your total amount minus your principal. So 8,303.77 minus 8,000. Okay, and you will simply get 303.77, and that is the interest earned. Okay, so this is our first work example for compound interest. What I want you to really digest is this portion here. Please look at this thing that I highlighted in pink. Is this understanding of how you get this 5/4, number 3, which is all related in this explanation earlier on. Okay, so be very careful when they say compounded quarterly, half yearly, monthly, every 2 months. These are the different variations that I have seen before and that you can get. So be very careful. Divide accordingly and multiply accordingly to get your small r and small n. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I will see you at our next video.